complete specifications, filing, responding to office actions, and preparation of forms for prosecution. He adapts integrating innovative patent search methods and effective information presentation, contributing significantly to decision-making processes. Mr. Nimesh possesses in-depth knowledge of various paid and free patent and non-patent databases, enabling him to conduct comprehensive and accurate searches. His drafting skills ensure detailed, precise, and legally compliant patent applications, enhancing the protection of intellectual property assets. So, Mr. Nimesh, we now welcome you to give your expert talk.
Okay, thank you, ma'am, for a very brief introduction of me. Okay, hello everyone. Good evening. I would like to thank IPTSE for this opportunity and allow me to part of IP awareness. Hello. Can you hear me?
Please keep yourself muted. The participants, please keep yourself muted. At the
Okay.
end of the session, we will give you a chance in case you have any queries. We'll give you 5 minutes to come up with your queries. Okay, but during the session, please keep yourself muted. And I would also just quickly mention here that the link will be circulated over the chat box, wherein you can fill the form and submit it so that the participation certificate will be circulated to you. Thank you.
Okay. So, as we are alive in a Zen generation time, where one idea can change the whole world, whether it is a new medicine or mobile applications or design or any maybe catchy brand name. But have you wondered what protect these kind of ideas from being copied? Okay, that's why IPR is step in. So in today's presentation, I will take you through why IPR matter to each of us and how it create promising career path in today's world. Okay, so let me share my presentation. Okay, I hope my presentation is visible to everyone.
Yes, it's visible, Mr. Nimesh. You may just want to put it in the slideshow.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, it's fine now.
Okay, so today's topic is importance of IPR and careers in IP. So myself Nimesh Patel, and my brief and detailed introduction is already provided by ma'am. So I'm not going in that. So let me directly come through the main point. So what are the objectives and outline for today's presentation? So I will let you through what is intellectual property, why it is important, type of intellectual property, the patent life cycle, what are the stage involved in patent filing procedure at Indian Patent Office, and how you make careers in IP. Okay, so what is property? Basically, when we think about properties, in our mind, there is only physical properties there, like a big house or a land, gold, some kind of cars and fancy things, which are also known as a property. But these properties are physical or tangible property. But there is another form of property is intangible property, which is cannot be touched by human. So that property is known as intellectual property. It is a creation of a mind, intellect, all field of human endeavor. It includes various kind of property. Okay, so what is intellectual property? So intellectual property basically refers to the creation of a human mind, such as inventions, literary and artistic works, symbols, names and images used in commerce. Basically, whatever the properties or creation is generated by human mind is known as the intellectual properties. Okay, so what are the importance of intellectual properties? So there are the many advantages and benefits of intellectual property. It encourages innovation and creativity, protect the right of inventors and creators, ensure the remuneration for researchers, recognition in scientific community, and limited the illegitimate commercial exploitation. If someone is exploit your product without your permission, it will protect your IP. So what are the benefits of intellectual property? It attracts investment and drives economic growth, promote a fair and competitive environment. It can be sold, bought, lease or rent, pass under will or assign. If you want to buy some intellectual property, you can buy a license agreement through, or you will assign an agreement where you can benefit it from that particular intellectual property. Okay. So as ma'am told that IPTSE will conduct exam for main course 6 to 7 domains. And these domains are mainly known as intellectual property, types of intellectual property. So what it includes? It includes patent, industrial design, trademark, copyright, geographical indication, and trade secret. Let me go through each and individual very briefly, so you will have idea that in which kind of type, what are the things are included. So let me go through the patent. What is patent? Patent is an exclusive right granted for a novel innovation, which is a product or a process that provides a new way of doing something or offer a new technical solution to a problem. Uh, the exclusive right granted to whom? The innovator of that particular novel invention, or that company which expend money in some innovation, that exclusive right go to that particular companies or applicant. So patent provides a patent owner with the right to decide how or whether the invention can be used by other. It protects others to copy, sell, or import. Okay. What are the three key criteria of an invention to be patentable? First, it must be novel. It does not disclosed anywhere in the world, not in India, but anywhere in the world. So it should not be published any form or used commercially or publicly known. It must be novel. Second criteria is it must involve an inventive steps. It must involve a technical advancement or inventive steps that goes beyond what is already known or used in field. And third is industrial applicability. The invention must be capable of used or applied in any industry or a field of technology. Should not be mere theoretical concept or idea without any practical use. Let's say idea without any practical use is like a khayali pulao. You cannot apply it industrially, or it not involve any novel or inventive steps. Okay. So let me show you the how patent document look like and what are the fields it involves in a patent documents. Patent is a techno-legal document that are major source of information in relation to the technological area. If you want to know that about some invention, just go to the Indian Patent Office or Google Patent, uh, type a keyword for which you want to exploit the patents, and you will get to know that what are the information in that patent. That are bibliographic details at the first page of patent, such as title, abstract, assignee, inventors, three dates, priority date, application date, and publication date, patent classification, and representative drawing at the first page. Further. Okay. In detail information, there is a field of invention. Background about the invention, from where you can get idea about this invention. If there is some problem exist already and you want to solve that problem, that is already all things are mentioned in backgrounds. Summary of the invention, brief description of drawing, detailed description and claims. Let's say in human body, our heart is a very important part. Likewise, in a patent document, claims are the most important part, which will give you a protection about your invention. Okay. Uh, there are some invention which are non-patentable. According to the Indian Patent Act, section 3 and 4, there are many inventions that are against a nature law, or maybe some just mere admixture of known compound, just making a process of limbu pani, or there is a traditional knowledge, likewise that neem is used in a many as antiseptic or many other properties, which is already known by our grandparents. So that is traditional knowledge is not an invention. So it is non-patentable under section 3. And section 4, it involves the atomic energy invention, which are not patentable, because the atomic energy are mainly used for two purpose, maybe it constructive or destructive. So this kind of atomic energy related invention are not patentable in India. If you want to explore in detail about section 3 and 4, you can go to the Indian Patent Office, where under Act 1970 you can find all the details about section 3 and 4. Okay. Next intellectual property is trademark. I think everyone is aware about trademark, but let me briefly go through what is trademark. Trademark is used to protect brand name and logos used on a goods and service. So why trademark is important? Trademark is important that to identify consumer from product or any service with particular company, so as to distinguish from the other identical or similar product provided by the competitors. Okay, can anyone give me the example of trademark? Why it is important? When you go to the supermarket or any tourist place, you want a trusted product for yourself or your family. So that's where differentiation or identification of that particular mark is very much important. So trademark, what is trademark? Trademark is any name, symbol, figure, letter, word, mark, signature, label, device, ticket, shape or color adapted to use by manufacturer or merchant in order to distinguish his or her goods from competitors. Let's say very famous logo of Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Domino's, Intel, Apple. There are many well-known trademarks are there for which you are trust on them. So trademarks is mainly used to protect brands and logos which are used on goods and services. Okay, there are a kind of trademarks, product marks, service marks, certification marks, let's say ISI certified, collective marks, smell marks, and sound marks. These are the kind of trademarks. Okay, let me go through the another types of intellectual property is industrial design. So by looking at industrial design, in my mind, first always come up with the design of or shape of particular iPhone. So there is a design is granted for that particular Apple phone, the shape. No one can copy it. Another competitors like Samsung or Oppo or anyone. No one copy that particular design because it is already protected by the Apple. So there are many design like every company have a unique bicycle designs. So it is come under industrial design. It constitute an ornamental or aesthetic aspect of article. Industrial design may consist three-dimensional features such as shape of article or two-dimensional features such as pattern, line or colors. It will come under industrial design. The fourth intellectual property is a trade secret. So everyone know about trade secret, but trade secret is not protected by any IPR because it need to be kept secret. If it is disclosed anywhere, then there is a chances of particular copying or being theft. So trade secret can be technical improvement, idea, survey or method of manufacturing, experimental results, chemical formula, recipe, financial strategy or client database. it will be a trade secret. So there are three factors in which trade secrets depend: not known to public, confirm some sort of economic benefits to its holder, and subject of reasonable efforts to maintain its secrecy. Okay, so let me tell you that about recipe trade secrets. Uh, how McDonald's burger is taste like same every time. How Domino's pizza taste same every time. It is their trade secret recipe. Every time it is made with the same process and precise ingredients, and it will give you a same unique taste. Let me go through the example of trade secret. The best example is Coca-Cola formula. Till now, it is secret how that particular Coca-Cola is made. Coca-Cola formula is invented in 1886, and that formula is not written down anywhere. But when owner take a loan from bank in 1990, it will submit a written copy. But after that, it is maintained at World of Coca-Cola, Atlanta in USA. So more than 120 years passed, uh, Coca-Cola trades keep trade secret about the formula about taste of Coca-Cola. There are many other trade secret how Google search algorithm is worked, WD formula for particularly Rust, KFC chicken, and Thomas cake. So these are the many example. There are many more is available on internet. You can search out and you will know about that trade secrets. So another one is a geographical indication. Geographical indication is associated with the product, the source of origin. Origin can be a town, a region, or entire country. Locality in territory where the given quality, reputation of other characteristic of such good is essentially attributed to its graphical origin. Let's say Darjeeling tea, that particular MP's black chicken, Kadaknat is now get a particular geographical indication. There are many more geographical indication. You might aware that Sahi Lychee of Bihar, it protected under application number 552, Alfonso Mango, Rajkot Patola, Surat Jaricraft, and there are many more other geographical indication are available, which you aware that oh this is a famous product from this region, but you're not aware that oh this is a geographical indication. So look at your surround and you will find another geographical indications. Okay, now let me go through the quick summary of different IPR. First, at patent. For what? For novel and technical invention. How? You need to apply it at an Indian Patent Office, and after application, examination will done, and you will grant a patent if it is novel. How long you can enjoy the rights for patent? 20 years. After that, trademark, distinctive identification of product or service. Use registration, you need to register under trademark registry, and trademark can be renewal for lifelong. Let's say our company's logo Intellect Paritas, where with a line Innovisions you can trust, is a registered trademark. Design is allowed for the external appearance. You can register in the design registration. It can be awarded for 10 plus 5 years, so you can enjoy monopoly rights about 15 years. Copyright, it is automatically existed for literature, art, drama, films, musics, books. So it is already exist. Once you create, it is automatically give you the rights. And last one is the trade secret, valuable information not known to public, reasonable efforts to keep secret. There is a no specific timeline for trade secret as long as you can keep it secret. Okay, now what are the advantage as individual inventor can get? You will know the famous dialogue of दीवार film that मेरे पास गाड़ी है बंगला है बैंक बैलेंस है सब कुछ है And similarly, here Microsoft say, I'm having everything, operating system, office, everything. तुम्हारे पास क्या है? Then one inventor having a granted patent. Aussie's inventor Rich Richardson win multi-million legal battle against Microsoft. For what? Microsoft used his granted patent of anti-piracy technology without his permission. And this legal battle will ensure that inventor will grant a particular rights of that particular patent. So $300 million will be awarded to the particular inventor for having granted patent. Another example is HP versus Cornell University. HP uses the particular granted patent of particular Cornell universities, and Cornell wins 184 million awards, and court or jury awarded damage of 184 millions to the particular universities. And under the university policies, faculty inventor receives the shares of royalty and related proceeding from commercial use of patented innovation. This is an entrepreneur and business strategies. Everyone must know that fidget spinner before 1 or 2 years, it is in the hand of every children, adult, youngsters. Everyone use it as a fidget spinner. But do you know that what is the story behind that particular fidget spinner? Fidget spinner real inventor is Catherine, a woman living in Orlando, USA. But she didn't get any penny of her genius invention. Although fidget spinner was a global hit, but why the lady didn't get any penny? Because the patent which she filed is lapsed in 2005 due to non-maintenance. So once your patent is lapsed, anyone can use freely. So in case your innovation isn't lucrative as you imagine, it is always better to seek advertising and marketing agency from which help you to commercialize the innovation into product, which may be one day a global trend. So it always suggests that consult an IP expert to review your invention before taking any drastic steps. So you may lose your profit of your hard work. Another main business and entrepreneur strategy is GOX breathable shoes. Mr. Polegato started his research on a breathable shoes because he is frustrated by getting his leg which is being wet while he is working on maybe some water or some main factory kind of things. So he discovered a membrane that is both waterproof and breathable at the same time. So you will not get a sweat on your leg. What he do? He secure a patent idea for waterproof and breathable shoes. You can go through that application number and PCT number where you can get the whole design of that particular waterproof and breathable sole structure. After that, he offered his idea to many big companies because he don't want to produce that particular product in a large scale. But everyone reject his invention. After that, less than 6 years, GOS registered 33% of CGR of net sales. Between 2002 and 3, the group expanded internationally. Balanced mix of multi-brand store approximately 10,000 and single brand store approximately 1,000 plus. In December 2004, GOX established on a Milan stock market exchange. And let me tell you that in 2022, the sales of GOS shoes is around 735.52 billion euros. So this show that one invention can give you a multi-millions if it is protected. So how it is protected? He identify breathable shoes, implement it successfully by getting patents industrial designs for his shoes to attract the customers. Also, he registered two trademarks, Respira and GOX, for the shoes he produced. Okay, so this is about the how one invention can change the inventor's and entrepreneur life. Let me tell you about how you can file a patent at Indian Patent Office. So first of all, let me tell you that Controller General Office in India, for patent there are four offices: New Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, and Chennai. For design there is only one office, active, Kolkata, and for trademark, Ahmedabad Trademark Registry is there. So you can file both mode, physically and online. So this is a patent filing process. First, you need to apply maybe a provisional or complete application. After that, you have a provision of early publication within 1 month, of normal publication within 18 months. You have also provision for expedited examination for special applicant such as a woman. If one inventor is woman, you are eligible for expedited examination. Otherwise, it is normally examined in a 36 months. After the examination, office action response is generated. You have to submit a response. If examiner is satisfied, then you will grant a patent. If not, he will raise a hearing. And in hearing, you have to justify your invention. What are the objection raised? You need to clear. Less non-patentable invention under section 3 and 4. Majority of objection are related to section 3 and 4. So you have to overcome that objections, and after that you have a grant. And after grant, just like a fidget spinner inventor, don't need to forget a PISA annual fees to make your patent alive. Also, every 3 years, you need to file a working statement. Is your invention is now in product? How much sale you will generate at the end of 3 years? So this is the whole patent filing process stage. Okay, the more exciting slides, how to build career in IP. So to build career in IP, first of all, you have to deep knowledge about your field. You have to complete your master's degree in any field. After that, you can work as an IP analyst or consultant in any company or law firm. After that, you want to increase your post. So you have to clear a patent agent examination, which is conducted by Indian Patent Office every year. Maybe this year also is announced on a January, patent agent examination and trademark agent examination. Once you clear the patent agent examination and trademark agent examination, you are eligible to practice at Indian Patent Office. You can file a patent on behalf of your client or inventor. You can draft office action response. You can appear in hearing. So once you become a patent agent, you can allow to do these kind of things. Same as for trademark attorney. You can join any corporate companies where you serve as a IP counsel. But to reach at a level of IP counsel, you must have a knowledge of what is patent, what is trademark, what are the detailed process, act and rules. So you can reach at that level. You can also become a technology transfer officer. You can become a bridge between university to a particular companies where the technology transfer will be needed. What are the invention is created and that need to be passed to the companies for the real-time productions. You can also make career in academia and research as a IP roles. Right now, in many courses of study in any field, in engineering, in biotech, or in computer science, there is a role of IP. And right now, in every university, school, or college, there is a special department which is take care of that particular IP or idea of students and professors. So you can make career any of them. Okay. These are the some help materials from Intellect Paritas. You can go to our YouTube channel where you know about how to search in different patent offices. You can also go to our informative articles. This is our small brief introduction about our company. We are mainly expert in patent and non-patent search, patent drafting, filing, ideation to particular product phase, trademark registration and design registration. We are expert in all domains: medical device, biotechnology, pharmaceutical, microbiology, agriculture, to any kind of domain. We are expert. We have a global clientele over the 20 plus countries. This is our registered office. We are mainly based at Surat, Gujarat. And if you have any query or concern, you can reach us. Or if you have any idea for which you want to file a patent, design, or trademark, you can contact us at info@intellectparitas.com. Okay, thank you. And let me summarize my presentation that I briefly take you through that particular what are intellectual property, types of intellectual property, why it is important, uh, and Indian Patent Office, how to file a patent in Indian Patent Office, and how to make a career in IP.
Right. Okay, so I think that was a very useful presentation from Mr. Nimesh. And participants, you are now free to ask for any questions if you have, if you need any quick clarifications regarding what was mentioned in the presentation, or if you want to know something more about IP related concepts. Uh, you can just put up your questions either in the chat box, or you can just unmute yourself and ask the question.
Just a second, they can't unmute themselves. Give me a second.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes, I think now they can.
Okay. Yes, so
If you have
anybody,
any
any
question,
queries? Yeah.
Hello everyone.
Anybody? Yes.
Yeah,
Hari?
yeah, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir.
Yes, please come up with your question.
Yeah, the question I have is a career-related question.
yes.
Okay, so I have been working in intellectual property drawings from last 3 years, and I would like to pursue my career as the draftsman. So I would be needing your guidance. How should I do that?
Uh, Pardon your question?
Draftsman, as in you are talking of patent drafting?
Yeah, ma'am. Patent drafting. Recently, I have started also my law degree, and
Okay.
currently I am not working anywhere. So I would like to pursue my career as patent draftsman. Like I can draft patents and file patents.
Okay. So for that, are you a registered Indian patent agent?
No, sir. I'll be giving the exam this year.
Okay. So once you having a or cleared a Indian patent examination, you will able to draft or a file patent on behalf of your client. Once you clear your patent agent examination, there are many law firms where you can apply and show your expertise as a draftsman. You will get opportunity there. Or also you can act as an individual patent agent where you can register under IP Mitra scheme that is provided by government, where you can help individual inventors to file a patents. and the remuneration for filing and drafting of patents will granted from government or Indian Patent Office.
Okay, thank you, sir. And is a law degree helpful in intellectual property career?
Yes, very much. If you want to litigate the particular case, law degree is most needed.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much for the answers.
Thank you.
Anybody else? Anyone having any other query? Okay, I think as of now they
Everyone understand everything.
yeah, and plus I think many of them would be just getting to know the IPR concept for the first time, I guess, because they might not be much aware.
Yeah.
Right,
Okay.
I
If you anyone have a
students from the
question,
engineering background. Yeah, so
mhm.
in case we come up with queries from anyone, we shall just get back to you, Mr. Nimish.
Sure, sure. No problem,
Yeah,
ma'am.
and it
Yeah.
was a great pleasure having you, and we look forward to seeing you again with other such webinars that we conduct
Yeah,
under
sure,
our
ma'am.
eighth edition. Yeah,
Sure.
thank you very much.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah. Participants, please be there because we will just take you through the registration process video. So anybody from here who is interested to register for the 8th edition IPTSE, right? So we will, Utkarsh will just take you through the registration video. Utkarsh, can we help them with the registration process? I think Utkarsh, it would be
Yes,
good
ma'am.
if you can just, yeah, you can just stop sharing the screen.
Okay.
Yeah, and I think just quickly help them through that they first need to go to the website and just verbally ek bata do inko, so it'll
Uh,
be, I think that'll be a little helpful.
sure, ma'am. Wait, just a second.
Sorry, but the screen on the video wasn't very clearly visible, so
Okay.
we'll just help them out.
Oh, okay. Just a second, ma'am. Just a second.
Yeah,
I will show them live how it will be done.
yeah. Also, participants, once again, a gentle reminder that you need to fill in the Google form, which the link again we will post once again here, so that the participation certificate for today's webinar can be given to you. Only to those who will fill the form, right? From the forms we receive, we will be sending the certificates.
Okay. Yes. So,
So, in case we have any institutional heads here and the students from that institute have joined, we request the institutional head to please convey this message to the students that all those who have joined today should fill up the form.
visible now?
Yes.
Yes. So basically, first we go to iptc.com. Then on the top right, we have the login sign up button. You just enter your number here. Okay. You receive the OTP. Just a second. Okay. Here you just fill up your details, whatever category you are in: school student, university, working professional, startup. Then enter your organization name, state, if there is any source of information, and submit. After that, you will get two packs here. One is the webinar pack. When we have our webinars which are included in the IPTSE pack, and if someone wants to just uh, join the webinar for one time, this is the webinar pack. It's for a single webinar. And if anyone wants to have the IPTSE exam, the booklets, and all the webinars, here's the IPTSE, the full pack. You can just pay through any means. Yeah, through any means you like, UPI card, credit cards, anything. That's it. Once you pay, your dashboard will be instantly activated.
Yes. Okay, great. So as was mentioned earlier, the pricing for the university students and faculty is 699, and for working professionals and startups it's 799, right? For school students it is 299. So you've just got an idea as to how to register. In case of any further query that you may have regarding the registration process, you can just write on iptse@iptse.com. You may just note the email ID iptse@iptse.com. That is the email ID that you need to write to in case of any queries related to the registration process. Okay, so that's it from our side for today. And we hope that we see you in our 8th edition as participants of the 8th edition examination, and look forward to meeting you again. Thank you.
I have a question here.
Yes, Purnima.
Yes.
Yes. Can you please tell me how we can select the domain? You were telling that out of the 7 domains, we can select one
Okay,
domain.
yes. Once you go to the filling up the form
Uh-huh.
while registering, if you select the university as your what do you say, the domain or part
Category, yeah.
category, then you will see the option to be choose the domain.
Yeah, but if you are a working professional, how does it
No,
come?
there is no domain for working professionals. Domain is only for
Only
university
for
students.
university students.
Okay, great.
For
Okay.
working
Yes.
professionals and startups, it's all combined.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for the clarification.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Anybody, any queries? Okay, I think we can just wind up today's session and look forward to seeing you in the 8th edition. Thank you.